Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the sheet in Google Sheets on desktop. This gives you the full version history view. Once the document loads, click File, then Version History, then see Version History so you can inspect changes. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If not, switch accounts now. You do this to access timestamps, editors, and change summaries, which helps you understand who changed what and when without guessing or restoring the wrong version. Next, expand the list of timestamps on the right to inspect individual saved versions. You'll see snapshots grouped by edit sessions. Once done, click a version to preview it, and use Show Changes to highlight exactly which cells were altered and by whom, which clarifies intent and scope. Make sure to name key versions as you go so you can find them later. Naming creates clear restore points and avoids accidental overwrites when you or collaborators return to the sheet. To finalize, select the version you need and choose Restore this version to revert the sheet, or choose Make a copy if you want the past content separate from current work. You should prefer making a copy when you're unsure, because it preserves the active sheet while giving you the older content. If you can't find history, check you're using the correct account, confirm the file is a Google Sheet, not XLSX, and verify edits weren't made offline without syncing. Those checks usually resolve missing history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.